हम सब की ज़िंदगी में कभी ना कभी एक ऐसा मोमेंट ज़रूर आता है वेयर वी जस्ट गेट टायर्ड ऑफ आवर ओन शिट और फिर हम खुद से क्वेश्चन करते हैं कि क्या मैं अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी खुद को डाउट करने में ही निकालने वाला हूँ या फिर लोगों की गलत बातों को और अपनी नेगेटिव थॉट्स को एक साइड रख के एक नए ज़िंदगी की शुरुआत करना चाहता हूँ। सो द फ्राइडे स्टोरी इज़ अबाउट वन ऑफ द फूड ब्लॉगर्स जिसने लोगों की गलत बातों को और अपनी नेगेटिव थॉट को एक साइड में रखकर एक नए कल की शुरुआत की।
Hi, my name is Ishani Gupta. I'm a microfood blogger and a culinary graduate. Last year I graduated with a degree in Bachelor's in Culinary Arts, but life wasn't easy. I hope through my words I can spread as much as positivity I can. By birth, I had been diagnosed with a condition which is known as cerebral palsy. It's a condition in which it affects your muscle movement and coordination. The symptoms of this condition may vary from mild to severe. मेरे केस में my symptom was mild. As a child, my parents never really treated me like a special child. They always made me feel like I was normal like any other kid. I also had an opportunity to go to a very good school where teachers were very supportive, whether it came to studies or extracurricular activities or whether they had to give me some special facilities in my studies. They were very supportive throughout my initial schooling days. But कभी-कभी हमें सब चीज़ एक साथ नहीं मिलती। कई बार या हमेशा किसी के साथ बुरा या किसी के बारे में बुरा नहीं सोचा होता है, बट वी आर ऑलवेज जज्ड फॉर आवर अपीयरेंस और जस्ट लाइक जज्ड इन एनी वे पॉसिबल। इन सब चीज़ों को जब मैं सोचती थी, ऑल्दो मैं बहुत ही नॉर्मल लाइफ लीड करना चाहती थी, बट बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दिस सिचुएशन I was always made to feel like I was different in the society. Because of this, I always used to think what action or what I have to do better in this so-called society to fit in. But I couldn't really figure out. But personally, I always feel nobody, even an enemy, should ever go through the things we go in our life. I wouldn't appreciate such statements. Back then I always chose to ignore these kind of statements which were thrown at me because my mom always told me that you'll meet a lot of people like this in your life and it's not possible to shut each and every one down. Because of that I kept quiet for a long time and I chose to ignore a lot of things which were happening around me. There was a point in my life जहाँ पे मुझे लगा कि माई लाइफ वॉज प्रिटी मीनिंगलेस। मेरा एक जो इतना टाइट शेड्यूल था, जस्ट गोइंग टू स्कूल एंड देन गोइंग टू ट्रीटमेंट सेंटर एंड बैक होम, माई लाइफ वॉज रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड ओनली दीज थ्री थिंग्स विच मेड मी फील दैट what is the point of living such a meaningless life because my life did not have purpose. And from there I think food played a very important role in my life because food gave me that purpose to lead a life ahead and a good life. Food was my calling in my 9th standard when I finally decided seriously that I had to pursue culinary and become a chef, and I wanted to go into a culinary school. After that, a lot of people gave me a lot of suggestions why I shouldn't pursue this career, but trust me, I really wanted to do it and I believed in myself and I shut all the opinions out and I just believed in myself and I managed to go to a culinary school, complete my graduation with a culinary degree. With this, I want to give you a piece of advice. If you are passionate about something you want to really do in a particular field, it doesn't really matter if the job pays you less or more because money is something which will come when the time is right. Just do what you want, do not listen to anyone and do not give up on your dream. It might feel very difficult to hold up to a certain dream, but when you finally achieve a particular thing, it really makes you happy because what matters is your mental peace. If something is bothering you or hampering with your mental peace, it is very important to address to the other person who is the reason behind it. I also want to give a piece of advice to those people who think that these kind of behavior is very cool. I want to tell them that, you know, if you do not like certain set of people, or you do not like the way people look or anything, just do not say anything to them. Do not make them feel that they are different, or make them feel that they are not worth anything. Just do not talk to them, because if you cannot be good to a person, you do not have the right to be bad also. And when it comes to education, I think education system nowadays, what we are following, should definitely include something which teaches more about life, because I guess English, geography, history can give you good marks on your mark sheet, which will maybe give you a good career and good money. But if you are not a good person, it doesn't matter how much you earn or on what position you are. With this, I want to tell you that do not let anything come as a barrier in between your dreams, because barriers are always made to be broken. Just remember that.